Discover how to leverage the perfect combination of Jasper AI and human creativity to revolutionize your business and save time and money. Are you looking for an easier, cost-effective way to communicate with your target audience? Are you wary of the manual process of content creation or the limitations of traditional solutions? Look no further. Jasper AI is here to revolutionize how businesses craft their messages. Powered by advanced machine learning, Jasper AI can create optimized content for any company, saving them time and money. But caution must be taken when it comes to relying on AI alone. Join us to learn more about the risks and rewards and how to leverage the perfect combination of Jasper AI and human creativity. Subscribe to AI Topia to stay tuned so that you can learn more about how to use Jasper AI to craft effective and optimized messages while avoiding the pitfalls of relying on AI alone. Unlock the perfect combination of AI and human creativity to revolutionize your business today. Jasper AI is an amazing example of what artificial intelligence can do to help with copywriting. It can identify patterns and relationships in data that humans may miss or overlook. The powerful machine learning algorithm optimizes content so it performs better for target audiences, creating more meaningful experiences and higher user engagement rates than manual methods alone. The advantages don't stop there. Jasper AI continuously learns from its interactions, helping companies improve their message delivery with every iteration. This keeps them ahead of their competitors over time without a significant cost increase compared to black box solutions like those offered by consultancies. This makes it an unbeatable advantage for any organization that wants real-time optimization advice without having to dedicate resources to managing partnerships, frequency, touch points, and ultimately adoption, leading to a clearer ROI. Jasper AI can be great help for anyone looking to improve their copywriting, as it can save you time and help you create content tailored to your target audience. Plus, it can give you real-time analytics on how you want your working to drive results. It's an amazing AI tool with many possibilities, so how can companies make use of Jasper AI? What steps do you need to take when using this powerful tool, and how can you use insights to create modern marketing strategies? What strategies can you use to ensure successful implementation of AI writing techniques and maximize the return on investment? Using Jasper AI is easy and straightforward. To get the best results, you want to make sure your parameters you enter into it are as accurate and specific to your target audience as possible, and after that, you can adjust the writing style or tone that you prefer. This gives you high-quality copywriting tailored to your needs, something that a human writer might not be able to do in the same amount of time, with the same level of creativity and experience. The possibilities of cutting-edge technology like artificial intelligence should not be overlooked, but how can businesses ensure that they get accurate results when using an automated process like AI for communications? What risks come with expecting 100% reliability from these powerful tools? These uncertainties raise questions about whether AI will soon take over traditional copywriting altogether, putting humans out of work in favor of robots. This could have both advantages and implications for the future communication strategy, leading us down a road full of surprises. Using artificial intelligence for writing can bring a lot of benefits, but there are certain risks and challenges that need to be considered. Human writers have the ability to create stories that are compelling and capture emotion, something machines haven't quite mastered yet. It's also important to edit AI-generated works both from an ethical point of view and to make sure none of the output contains errors or omissions that could lead to serious repercussions if automated copywriting tools are used without proper due diligence. When considering using AI technology for a messaging strategy, it's worth considering the advantages it may bring, such as freeing up time on labor-intensive tasks like data entry, but at the same time, knowing the key limitations, such as the lack of creative freedom usually associated with human authorship over machine-generated output. This leads us to ask, is artificial intelligence really ready to replace our human-readable content standard? The differences between AI and human writers are big, but as technology advances, the gap between them is getting smaller. AI can create a lot of different content quickly with little effort while still being informative, something that manual writing is not able to do. On the other hand, human authors can add unique creativity and emotion to the work, but it takes a lot of time and thought to make each piece. Both have an important role when it comes to copywriting tasks. Human writers will use their skills to create messages tailored to the target audience, while automated AI can help optimize the output so companies get better results from their campaigns, without having to use any extra resources. AI also has machine learning, meaning it can improve over time, making it more efficient and increasing the return on investment. So when you're thinking about how you're using AI writing techniques, what are the best practices for successful implementation? How can you make sure the material generated by algorithms is accurate and get the most out of your communication strategy? What strategies can you use to ensure successful implementation of AI writing techniques and maximize the return on investment? Well, when it comes to successful AI writing, there's a few key points to keep in mind. It's important that you provide clear instructions at the start so you get the content you want from your copy automation rules. It's also essential to proofread after you get automated drafts. Human eyes are still better than machines for spotting certain types of errors. Additionally, using diverse data sources will add context, which allows for more accurate insight into target audience preferences. This is something traditional tools often lack due to relying too much on historical records. Even with these measures in place, some minor mistakes can be overlooked if there isn't regular human review before publication. This is especially true for things like tone, which bots aren't always good at catching since they focus more on correctness than creative intent. Regularly training algorithms on fresh datasets also helps keep them up to date as user sentiment changes over time. This brings us back to the question, how much confidence should businesses have when trusting their messaging strategy to AI solutions, either completely or partly? If you're looking to maximize your copywriting skills, Jasper AI gives you an unbeatable advantage that traditional approaches often lack. It uses advanced machine learning and natural language technology to reduce the amount of manual labor needed in order to optimize content for better results. This saves time and money and helps businesses stay ahead of their competitors with quick iterations from continuous feedback loops after each user interaction. But how reliable are automated solutions like Jasper AI? Can they be trusted as the primary source when crafting messages, or should they only be used alongside human creativity? Human writers have an intuitive understanding of what readers want, while machines may lack this ability even if algorithms become more sophisticated. This is something to consider before committing to any toolset for your communication strategy plan. The decisions made after using artificial intelligence tools can have life-changing consequences sooner than expected. What possibilities does relying on bots alone open up or limit us from exploring? Jasper AI is a great tool for companies who want to make their messaging better and get more engagement. The user AI-driven algorithms can be tailored to how the people you're trying to reach, and it can give you real-time analytics so you can see how it's working. It's also cheaper than traditional methods or hiring someone to do it for you. But is AI reliable enough? Can it do things that humans can? And if it can, does that mean human writers will become obsolete? Will AI give us new opportunities to make faster changes and fewer mistakes? We don't know the answers to these questions yet, so businesses should be thinking carefully before using AI instead of or alongside of humans for writing digital content. Jasper AI is an AI-driven copywriting tool that helps companies create tailored content for a target audience, optimize message delivery, and gain insights from user interaction. It has an unbeatable advantage for any organization that wants real-time optimization advice without dedicating resources to managing partnerships, frequency touchpoints, and ultimately adoption. But is AI reliable enough to replace human writers? While it can quickly create a lot of content with little effort, it lacks the creative freedom that humans provide. So it's important to edit AI-generated works and make sure none of the output contains errors or omissions, and that businesses think carefully before using AI instead of or alongside humans. Are you wondering if there is a better AI copywriting tool than Jasper AI? Then watch our next video to find out if Crown AI is the answer. Don't miss out. Watch the video now to learn about the potential of Crown AI and how it can help your business create content faster.